Good morning, everyone. We are Group 1. We are gonna be role-playing and presenting today. But first, we are gonna introduce ourselves.
Hi, I'm Artin Miguel. I'm Bridget. Hi, I'm Candice.
And I'm Patrick. Once again, we are Group 1. Thank you and enjoy watching. Once upon a time, Raphael was headed to the mall, and suddenly, a man snatched Raphael's bag and ran away.
Hey, give that back.
Naiwan lang yung snatch. Naiwan yung ninakaw, naiwan.
Raphael ran as fast as he can go to get back his bag. 5 minutes later, he finally got his bag back, and later on, the police arrested the snatcher.
I shall buy something. Hey, do you have something that can help me?
Dapat pala binili ng ano.
Of course, what problems do you have? My bag recently got stolen by a snatcher and I don't want that to happen again.
Ay, bre.
I know. The intelligent item locator. It can track your items by scanning and an AI also talks to you. Are you sure it works? I am very sure. Fine, I will buy it.
Raphael bought the device and went home. In a couple of days, his bag would get stolen again. But with the device that he bought, he was able to track his personal belongings, and he never got his stuff stolen again. And now we are moving on our presentation. Today we will be talking about our idea, the intelligent item locator. We think of this idea because sometimes people misplace their personal belongings, which ended up getting lost or forgotten.
The solution to this problem is creating an intelligent item locator. It locates items real-time, even from far locations. It uses an LCD screen to track items and it has a built-in speaker for directions.
Our idea works by connecting to the phone to the device. Place the device on the bag so it can scan the things you want to track, and an AI companion will talk to you and give directions to the item's location.
You can always charge it with a universal charger. Our primary users will be people who often forget their things. They will like it and need it because things are safe with the item locator. The materials needed for this is a sensor, screen, a small camera, and a phone for connecting it to the locator device. What is that?
The materials needed for this is a sensor, screen, a small camera, and a phone for connecting it to the device, metal, speaker, and a battery. The intelligent item locator will be very useful for people who tend to forget or lose their personal belongings. We believe in it because with the more advanced technology, it will be possible. And with the intelligent item locator, you can locate with intelligence and find with ease. Alright.
Alright, thank you so much, the Artist Collective or Group 1 with their intelligent item looking good. Please come forward once again and let's have a comment, question, and or answer po. Judge Aaron.
Sorry ako ulit. Ayun, dumikit. I have a bad news. Ayun sa akin. I have a good news and a bad news. Number one, yung idea is already existing and Apple is using it and they call it AirTag. Yung AirTag is halos eksakto ng mga problema nyo and I've been using it kasi tama yung problema nyo lagi